In the last video, we unveiled all the orders from May and the early part of June. In this video, we are going to unveil the remaining orders from June, maybe up to July or August. Hello guys, this is Ferdy again and welcome to the vlog. In this episode, we are going to unveil all the remaining orders for the spring-summer season. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a pair of sneakers by 2,000 subs. So having said that guys, here's the video. Right now, I'll be unveiling some additional orders and let's start off with Genis. He ordered a Loewe pair. So here we have the box and the tag, as you can see. Loewe on Cloud branding. We have the dust bag right here. And just a simple Loewe on Cloud at the side. This is the forefoot area. This is the lateral side. This is the medial side with the inverted branding. This is the tongue. This is the insole. And the heel counter has this Helion debossed lettering, the midsole, and the outsole. So for this one, this is the All-Star Coin Loafer from Japan. This is a Japanese exclusive pair, and that's the sizing. This is a coin loafer from Converse, and this is how it looks. This is the forefoot area. This is the lateral side, the medial side, the tongue with that Converse coin, and the Converse insole. So as for the heel counter, we have the sleek design at the back and the All-Star at the midsole section, and regular midsole and the classic Converse outsole. Next up is a human-made gray t-shirt for Sir Ronnie. This is the human-made premium cotton pocket t-shirts. Just this one and no label for comfort. Simple design from Human Made. Next up is a Human Made duck tee, the white one for Sir KR. And this is how it looks. So just your usual Human Made design. No back print whatsoever. Next up is the black one for Sir Christian. The black one is better in my opinion. So it only has this Human Made heart for the nape area. Next up is a Human Made duck and tiger XL black tee for Cyril. The tiger is inverted. This is the back print. At the front of the shirt, we have this human-made patch. It's inverted from the duck tee. This one is for Sir Christian. So I won't open this up since it's just the same design. Next up is for Sir Daza, and this is the Supreme short sleeve collared shirt. This is called the Trey Jacquard Supreme shirt, and this is from the old season. It came from Sneaker Dunk, that's why there's an authentication card here. Included with this shirt is the Supreme Ziploc bag. This is a very beautiful piece from Supreme. You need to have an undershirt if you want to wear this one. This is how it looks. Very vibrant Supreme branding. There you go. There's an authentication tag here. It says Verify Authentic. So next up is a Stussy Osaka tee for Sir Jason. So this is the white one. This is a size large. This is the front part of the shirt. Stussy Osaka, as you can see by that side, and this one is the back. Very beautiful piece from Stussy and very limited. A lot of Stussy fans wants the shirt and we were lucky to have one. Next up is the Kith. I call this barong since it is very reminiscent of our national attire in the Philippines for the boys. And this is how it looks. So we have white and black. So this is the white barong. There you go. And this is how it looks at the back. I think the design language for this one is the Philippines. I'm highly sure of it. The black one is better for me since this cannot get dirty easily. And this is how it looks. Floral print at the front and at the back. And there's the Kith and Kin logo at the back. Very beautiful. So this is the Supreme half zip collared sweatshirt. And this is for Sir Giro. Very small Supreme box logo at that side, and there's no back print. This is a half zip with YKK zipper, as you can see right there. Next up is Bapex for Sir Mark. For the Bapex, we've ordered this from the Bape Osaka store. It came with this leather box. We have this microfiber towel, and this is how it looks. Bapex. So let's see the details. The bezel has this ABC camo print in the pink colorway. The hour marker has this ivory finish, and of course there's a date that you can adjust. So there you go. The crown has this Bapehead logo, and of course the band, monochromatic pink, and there's an Apehead logo at the clasp. We also have the Stussy basic stock logo for Ma'am Abigail. It's just your usual Stussy tee. That's the signature of Sean Stussy, the founder of Stussy. Hello guys, today is Friday and I'm going to have an additional order here for Sir Brian and his friends. So we have here 4 pairs of Loewe in collaboration with OnCloud. And this is how it looks. So this is the white pair. This one is the gunmetal colorway. This is the Loewe OnCloud branding. It comes with this dust bag from Loewe and OnCloud. And this is the forefoot area. Lateral side. Inverse branding at the medial side. The tongue, the insole, the heel counter with that Helion logo, and the Swiss engineering, not to mention. Of course, the midsole and the outsole. So that's the gunmetal colorway. For the gunmetal colorway, we have 2 orders. Next up is the eggshell colorway. This one is a size 48. Again, same box and same dust bag. That's the forefoot section. Lateral side, Loewe and OnCloud. Medial side, inverse logos. This is the tongue. This is the insole. Helion at the heel counter. And as you notice, there's a subtle branding of Loewe on this shoe. That's beneath the mesh panels, if you can see it closely. And this is the midsole. This is the outsole. So we have 39 and 48 for the eggshell colorway, and these are the tags. All in all, 5 orders for Loewe this week. Hello guys, I'm going to unveil all the orders for this week, and let's start off with Sir DJ Buddha. He ordered a Supreme satin jacket in the green colorway. Retail price for this one is 37,400 yen. This is a half zip jacket. As you can see, there's a YKK zipper at the front. And there's a Supreme embroidery. And we have here at the back, International. So this one is sort of a rubberized material. And 29. We have cuffed sleeves here. Next up is a pair of sunglasses for Sir Daza. So this one is one of the sought after releases from Supreme. This is called the Capital Sunglasses, 44,000 yen. As stated by this receipt, this is the newest iteration for the Supreme leather case. The old one. So I think this is from the Spring-Summer 2023. I got this leather case compared to the newer releases. So compact and light rather than this one. Or maybe it depends on the glasses. But this one, my pair is this. I use this from time to time, and Sir Daza's pair is a very cool looking piece from Supreme. So this is how it looks. There's a bold statement from Supreme here, FU, if you can see it closely. This is a sleek design from their usual sunglasses. Next up are orders of Sir Sean, and this is the Baby Milo bag. This is how it looks, very cute. So we have a strap here and there's a compartment here. I like this piece from Baby Milo. And next up is the Kyoto exclusive tee. We have here a Baby Milo tee. No backprint. Baby Milo case. 3 wise apes. No backprint again. And next up is a necklace for Mom Princess. And this is packaged with this Baby Milo head. And we have here a dust bag. A very long necklace. There's a bunch of designs here. Star, the Baby Milo head, burger. Kinda like the Super Mario logos. That's what we have for Sir Sean and Ma'am Princess. Let us proceed with Sir J.E.'s collaborative hoodie. This is a very limited piece. This is the zipped up jacket. And this is how it looks. So, it is in collaboration with the brand Helinox. Your usual ape head here with the branding of World Gone Mad or WGM in chenille lettering. Next up is this rhinestone Bape cap. Actually, not rhinestone. This is from Swarovski. So this is an expensive piece from Bape. And this is how it looks. So you can see the Bape lettering with the Swarovski crystals. And at the back, we have this ABC camo mesh panel. And we also have here a cap clip freebie from Bape. This is the order of Sir Alfie, one of the resellers there in the Philippines. Next up is a Bape polo for Sir Tim. This is how it looks. This is the ABC camo polo. The texture is sateen, so it's very good to the touch. It is a fashionable piece from Bape. The next one is a Samba, size 8.5 US for Sergio. And this is the Japan exclusive Samba OG. That's the conversion. And here's the shoes. The retail price for this one is 16,000 yen. There you go. As stated by that receipt, forefoot area has that suede toe box. Lateral side with the Samba and the silver colorway. Medial side, the tongue is not very prominent. Insole, the heel counter, and the midsole / outsole. It is very nice that they've incorporated the Tiffany colorway for this shoe. We have here a size 8.5 again for Sergio and a size 6 US for Sir Eiffel. Next up is a Bape white tee for Sir Bernard. This one is an oversized Bape tee. So for this one, if you're a size XL, you need to go for a size L. And that's what they have here, size L. It kind of looks like a children's drawing. And that's the back. This is the front. I like this one since there's a design at the front and back. And this one, this is a size M. This is for Sir Madge. That's the tag. This one is better since this is a pink colorway. That's the front and this is the back. This is the one for Sir Troy, size L. Next up is for Sir Janice, and this is called the Martini Tee. This is the front and this is the back. Next up is the Beach Tee and Crown Tee for Sir 214. This is the Beach Tee. There you go. That's the front. This is the back. The Crown Tee. Nagoya doesn't have this anymore, so we got this from Osaka. This is the front. No back print. Next up is the Stussy hoodie for GSJ from Instagram. This is just your usual Stussy hoodie. Basic Stussy. So, this goes well with a lot of outfits. Now, let's go to Human Made. These are for Sir Nico. And this is the Human Made shirt. This is the back design. The other one is this one. I like this one because it has this artwork of a gull, a seagull. And there's a subtle human-made branding when you look closely at the clouds. It is not noticeable, but this is a navy color, the nape area with that human-made heart. Next up is a Supreme Crusher hat for Sergio. This is how it looks, by the way. We have a lot of patches here. Supreme, 24, a lot of past seasons. And at the top, you can see the 94 and 24 patches. It works for the summer since this is a mesh material, if you look closely. Next up is a pair of Crocs for Sir Jan. This one we ordered at the online store. It's just your usual Crocs pair. Here is the Duet Max 2 clog, and this is the sizing. This is the forefoot area, the footbed, the strap, Crocs, and this is the midsole / outsole. Atmos and Vandy the Pink collaborated with the sneaker A6 in the Gel Nimbus 10.1 silhouette. So the first one is a yellow 11.5 US for Ma'am Girly. Ma'am Girly is the girlfriend of Al James, if you don't know. She ordered a lot since the Nike and Stussy collaboration, and I believe this is for Al James. And this is the Ivory Pineapple Slice 29.5. That's the conversion. And it comes with this Vandy the Pink box. Once you've opened it up, you have that marketing branding from Atmos. It comes with this extra set of laces. We have the forefoot area, lateral side, medial side, those beautiful looking laces, that tongue, the insole with that collaborative insole, heel counter with the gel branding, your usual A6 midsole, and outsole. A6 sizing is very weird, so if you don't know your A6 sizing, just message me. And we have here the size 10. This one is for Sir Ricardo. I won't unveil this one since it's just the same colorway. Next is the one for Sir Wiz. This is the pink one, strawberry cream. This is the conversion. Vandy the Pink, same, but this one, it comes with this pink hue of the box. Again, comes with this extra set of laces. Forefoot area, lateral side, medial side, the laces, the tongue, the collaborative insole, the heel counter, the midsole, and the outsole. Now, let us proceed with Sir Gigo's bulk order. Let's start off with the Bapestas. As usual, it comes with this ABC Camo green box, but I've opened this up. This is the dust bag. 2 sets of precautionary measures, so maintenance precautions. I won't unveil the box since you know the usual Bapesta box. Extra set of laces, fat laces, and this is the croc leather. Forefoot area, the Dubrace, lateral side with that Bapesta branding, medial side, the tongue and the insole, heel counter with that Bapesta embroidery, the midsole section with that Bape branding, and the outsole. He ordered 2 Bape hoodies from Bape, of course, and this is your usual shark head, but this time it's not zip. Usual shark head hoodie, WGM, in chenille lettering. That's the white one, and this is the black one. The black one has this studded material, and this is how it looks. No back print whatsoever. And on the laces, we have this Bape branding, if you can see it closely. He also ordered a t-shirt. This is the College Tee, a bathing ape, in a size XL. So we are the same size. No back print. He also ordered this 16 Pro Max case, ABC Camo Green, as well as the glasses. So we have here Bape glasses. So for this week, we have Supreme and Bape glasses. It comes with this box of bathing ape. And we have this special packaging from them. Very cute. It's the same with their hoodies. So we have this microfiber towel with that ABC Camo Green design. And we have here the glasses. So there you go. It's just your usual Wayfarer glasses with that green hue. So we have this shark head logos for this one. And the R branding at that side. I think it is the first time that someone ordered Bape glasses from us. Next up is we have this tote bag from Bape. It is functional for the rainy season, and this is, I think, a PVC material. It's just your usual waterproof bag here. That's the Bapehead logo. They've included this dust bag or inner bag. In this case, ABC Camo Green with this cinch lacing system at the top. He also ordered these premium cotton pocket t-shirts. This one is the black one and in a size XL. Same with this one, white. That's our orders for Sir Gigo. And last but not the least, we have two collaborations again. A bunch of collaborations for this week. These are the Vans CDG pairs, and this is the size 12 US men's. So this is the conversion. CDG Vans, and this one 10.5. The Vans, so this one, the 10.5 is for Sir Jason, the 12 is for Sir Erickson. So it's just your usual Vans Authentics. So that's the forefoot area, lateral side, medial side. Never mind the tongue, it's just the same with those CDG branding. This CDG label is also rubberized. So insole, the heel counter, the tag has that OTW. So they've changed it. Waffle outsole and your usual midsole from Vans. Next are Asics and Kith. Okay, so these are the Gel Kayano 12.1s. So 29 cm and 27 cm. The 29 cm is for Sir 214 and the 9 is for Sir Eiffel. And these are the conversions. Those two pairs came from Sneaker Dunk. That's why there's an authentication card here. I'm going to unveil the 29 centimeters. It comes with these two extra set of laces. So we have the black one and the gray one. I don't know what to say. It's a very beautiful pair of kicks. Not to mention, we have the Sneaker Dunk tag, verified authentic. If you look closely at the underlays, we have this very, very intricate pattern of mesh. So that's the forefoot area. Lateral side. The medial side. That's the tongue. The insole with that Asics and Kith branding. The heel counter. So we have this fluid ride technology at the midsole section. If you look closely. That's how it looks. And this is the outsole. My wife actually wants this one. So that's it for this week's release. We are back here in my house and I'm going to unveil this week's orders, and there's only a few. Let's start off with God Selection. The retail price for this one is 19,800 yen, as you can see by that tag. And it comes with two shirts. 19,800 yen for the price of two shirts. And there's only a minimal box logo at the left side, at the front. There you go. No backprint whatsoever. That is for Sir Arlon again. And next up is for Sir Carl. These are the 4 boxer briefs from Supreme. This is a size medium. At the back of this Hanes boxers, there's a dimensions here for small, medium, large, X large, and 2XL. If you want to order, please message me at my IG or FB page. Next up is for Sir Julius from Canada. So one of our first clients here in Continuity PH before my YouTube channel. And he ordered this denim coach jacket from Supreme, which is in a size L. There's no back print, but the front print has the Supreme embroidered logo. There's YKK buttons for the enclosure. And next up is the other one, Sir Alvin, size M. As usual, it's the same. That's the front. This is the back. Okay, next up is a Climacool for Ma'am Carla, and this is how it looks. US 10.5. That's the conversion authentication card from Sneaker Dunk. So it comes in this Ziploc bag that is silver. There you go. Verify authentic. Again, this is the forefoot area. Lateral side with that 3 stripes branding. Medial side. There's no tongue, just only the structure. The insole has that QR code, and the heel counter has the sharp heel counter. Midsole / outsole, dual density, as you can see right there. Next up is a pair of Birkenstock for Sir Ian, and this is called the Mogami Terra. This is the sizing, and there's the conversion. And we have this classic Birkenstock box. This is the first time I've seen this one. That's the forefoot area. Lateral side, medial side, Birkenstock made in Germany footbed. The heel tab, midsole slash outsole. There you go. We have here an order for Sir Jake. New Balance 2000. This is the sizing. Kind of reminds me of my Shocks or Vapor Maxes. So this is the forefoot area. Lateral side with that N logo. Medial side, there's no N logo. The tongue, the insole. So the heel counter with that New Balance branding. The midsole slash outsole. Last but not the least, we have the Supreme Clark's Wallabies. Of course, we have to get this one. These are the collaboration of the week, apart from those tennis racket from Supreme and Yonex. And there you go. So we have here the box. Clark's original Supreme box logo at the front. 33,000 yen. So it is the same with that Arc Denim Coach's jacket that I've unveiled earlier. So this is the same price. As you can see, 33,000 yen. Both of them. Clark's Originals and Supreme hang tags, as you can see. This is the forefoot area. Lateral side has that Supreme subtle branding. Minimalist. Medial side. The tongue has this pronounced tongue. There you go. The insole, Clark's Originals and Supreme box logo. Heel counter has this half stitch. So of course, the midsole slash outsole is made from crepe sole. So this is direct from the rubber tree. I don't know how they make this one, but when I researched this, it is made directly from the rubber tree. So it is a pure rubber. So that's the midfoot section. And this is the outsole. That Clark Supreme is for Sir Albert, and next up are orders for our anonymous client. The first one, this is a very old Burberry. And this came from Mercari. This is the 2002 Halloween Burberry. I think this is their packaging from the past. 2002, guys. So, 23 years old. There you go. We can still find vintage stuff here in Japan, and that's the Burberry. We have here another one. This is the Arcane League of Legends Burberry. And this is how it looks. Unfortunately, I cannot open this up since the request of the client is just show the box. And then we have this Uncle Burberry. Only the box. Batman, we got this online. Aymaina, 400% only. There you go. And we have here the Doshte, 400% again. This is how it looks. Marvel Captain America. There's an excerpt of the comics at the back of it. Next up is Thor. As Thor, God of Thunder. It's a little tongue twister at the back. Thor, God of Thunder. Next is this Marble Peanuts. Next up is this, my first Burberry. There's hollow Burberry, but they have little pellets inside of it, so you can hear it. It is safe, by the way. So there you go. My first Burberry baby, designed by Chiaki, Cyril, and Co. I don't know what Burberry is this, but the seller doesn't provide any box because this is a very old Burberry. And this came from Mercari. This is a very rare Burberry. That's why my client bought this one. So there you go. Next up is Anyabrick, or I think not Manekineko. This is the cat-shaped Burberry. And this is how it looks. Another dimension, it says at the back. So next up is this Exile Burberry, Exile ID. And at the back, there's the stores. Sapporo, Tokyo, Nagoya, Osaka, Fukuoka. Next up is this. What's this? I cannot read this cursive Burberry. So I'm sorry. But this is how it looks. Next up is this Van Gogh Museum, Amsterdam. Van Gogh 50th anniversary. Yes, this is the 50th anniversary. So that's how it looks. It's just this artwork at the front placed on a Burberry. Next up is Cap and Pep. Consul plus Degas. I don't know about this one, but this is how it looks. So that's the box. Minimal branding at the back. This is the old Beatles Burberry. I'm not sure what the contents is. There's something here. So this is a black Burberry, as you can see right there. The Beatles branding and that Apple logo that they are using with their image. So that's it, the Beatles. It looks like a sneaker box, but we have here the Nitro Microphone Underground Burberry. And this is how it looks. I cannot open this up, guys, but that's it. I like this kind of boxes for Burberry because you think that you are getting a sneaker, but when you flip this up, it's an art toy. Let us unveil all our orders. So this is the undefeated T for Sir Genis. The retail price for this one is 7,700 yen as stated by this receipt. So you can see the undefeated logo at the front and the big logo at the back. And next up is the Supreme Bear Tee for Sir Badge. This is one of the underrated tees for this week. This is called the Bear Tee. Retails for 7,700 yen as stated by this receipt. Very cute print from Supreme. There's no back print, by the way. Next up is a pink camera bag for Ma'am Girly. Supreme restocked these bags, I think, starting week 16 release. 9,900 yen. It's made with Cordura fabric, advanced fabrics. You can see the Supreme box logo over there. There is a mini pouch inside. You can put your AirPods right here or coins. And we have here a strap. So the strap has the Supreme branding. Next up is for Sir Arlon FR2 Osaka shirt. And this is how it looks. So at the front, we have this FR2 Osaka embroidery. Very subtle detail. The back is this very big embroidered patch. Retail price for this one is 15,400 yen. A Union t-shirt for Sir Philip. So the Union tee, and this is how it looks. No back print. Next up is the Osaka Bape Tee, Gray L and Black L. That is for Sir Neil. This is the gray. And you know, the black. Same design language. So next up is the Osaka Bape Kanji Tee Black 2XL for Sir Abraham. This is the Bape 2XL. Next up are the orders of Cupcake Store, one of the reseller stores there in the Philippines, and they've ordered the Osaka Kanji Black L, Baby Milo L, and Tiger White L. These are all Osaka exclusives. So this is the Kanji Black L Osaka Tiger Tee. No back print, just this Tiger Tee, a Bathing Ape Osaka. And this one, this is the Baby Milo t-shirt. There you go. Very cute piece from Bape. Thank you again for Cupcakes. Next up is a Manekineko Burberry for Sir Ian. The box looks like this. And you know the contents inside. There you go. Next up is a Carhartt lamp for Sir Joel. Again, this is a Carhartt lamp. You can see the branding right there. Very, very subtle. And of course, the Supreme Coleman. We've ordered this before, and Sir Joel is the second buyer for this one. This is the Coleman, very, very big Supreme bandana design. And it came from Sneaker Dunk, of course. This is not available anywhere, just in Sneaker Dunk. There you go, Supreme bandana table. And once you've opened this up, it includes this 2 sets of chairs, as you can see. And then the table. you can unfold this, and that's how it looks. It is a very heavy piece from Supreme, guys, and this is how it looks. Great for picnics, by the way. Well, that's for Sir Joel. And the Supreme Yonex, both colors, these are for our anonymous buyer. Both came from Sneaker Dunk. Very steep price. This is the verified authentic tag. This is the Supreme branding and Yonex branding. So let's unveil each. This is the black colorway, and this is how it looks. This is called the Yonex E-Zone 100. And you can see the Supreme tag and Yonex tag put together. Supreme subtle branding over here. And at the side, isometric. It says at this side, isometric. And Yonex. I don't know what this is called. The triangle looking part looks like a guitar pick. So Yonex branding and Supreme branding with the box logo. At this part, Supreme branding. And at the handle, you can see the subtle Supreme branding, Yonex. And of course, this one, Yonex branding. So there's a grip size. This is number 2. There's 2 and 3 only when they've released this. Very limited piece worldwide, and we have the chance to get one for each color. And this is size 2, 305 grams in weight. The red one, this is how it looks. Same branding as I've said earlier, isometric and the guitar pick. I'll just call this the guitar pick. And for this one, it comes in white and Yonex branding, Supreme branding. And of course, the subtle branding at the handle. I cannot see this with the white ones, but the black ones, you can see it better. So grip size is 2, 305 grams. Thank you for our anonymous buyer. Next up is a t-shirt for Sir Arlon again. This is the FR2. So that's the only branding, FR2. No back print. Very simple shirt that goes well with anything. Next up is the ABC Camo Blue Shorts from Bape for Sir Jose. This is cotton, and this is perfect for summer. This is how it looks. That's the shark head and the classic ABC Camo all throughout the shorts. Next up is the ABC Camo tank top for Sir Carlo. It comes in this ABC Camo pink pattern, and this is how it looks. So for this one, it only has this Bathing Ape branding or Bathing Ape branding at the front. No slogan at the back. Just the ABC Camo pink. Well, that's what we have for this video. And I just want to thank all of our clients and everyone that supports me, my friends, my family, my best friend, my wife, and to everyone that watches this video. If you like this kind of content, please make sure to like, subscribe. Make sure to comment down below what you guys think. And this is Ferdy signing out. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.